Hello, my name is Philip and I'm CTO at Third Foundation, where we undertake AI for modern marketing. Today's topic is about what an AI model is. We use the term model in AI quite a lot, and it probably gets thrown around too much without explaining exactly what a model is. A model is a set of calculations or an algorithm that takes an input and then produces an output. So in its simplest form, it could be a model that adds 1 to every input it's given. So if you put the number 1 as your input to a model, and then you got the number 2 out, or the number 2 and you got the number 3 out, that would be considered a very simple model. Probably not an AI model though. So an AI model may also be referred to as a black box, and that's because with some kinds of model, it's very hard to understand the algorithms and calculations that are within that model. What we're doing when we train a model is we're giving the AI the opportunity to look at some input data and some example output data, and to try and come up with a calculation that connects that input to the output, so that in future we can rerun that model upon data it's never seen before as the input and get a new output. So that leads me to what kinds of model we deal with. So there are typically 2. So there is a predictive model. So you give an input as historical data, and as an output you get data about what might happen in the future. And there are classification or classifier type models. So you give it, say, a set of customer data, and you ask it to figure out what different groups it can find in that customer data to segment the customer data, essentially. Thanks for listening. I hope this explanation helps you understand what an AI model is. And if you have any more questions or anything else you'd like us to explain, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.